Hi, my name is Freitas. I am a senior technical consultant for Isava, a Saint-Gobain company. We are certainly very proud to be part of this wonderful project on this energy efficient residential home by the Rhino group, and proud to have our products associated with this development, and in particular our glasswool range of products which Saint-Gobain manufactures at our Gauteng office and factory. The product is cavity batt. It is traditionally used in drywall insulations. Comes in a modular form, 1.2 by 600, and glasswool is manufactured from 80% recycled glass, from post-consumer recycled glass which otherwise would have ended up on landfill, is now being put back into product, which is for the lifetime of the building once installed. And once that building has actually been demolished, it can still be used, retained and used in future projects, hence the 50-year lifespan plus of the product. The particular product is traditionally used, the cavity batt, the 102 cavity batt, is traditionally used in drywall systems and in lightweight steel frame structures and timber frame structures. Due to its lightweight semi-rigid tissue on one side of the product, which allows it to stay vertical within its application. And when we say vertical in its application, the product does not sag over time. And in sagging, it does not create a headspace at the top, which we refer to as thermal breaching, which allows heat flow to get into the building through that gap. Hence, we've also used it in this roofing application at House Rhino. Due to its modular size, it fits in perfectly with the roof structure, being 1.2 by 600. The packaging of the product, before I get to the roof, the packaging of the product is compression packed. So it can be compressed up to 10 times its design size. So the packs that you see over here are actually 10 times bigger had they been once they installed, or the design size of the product. If you look at the roof, the product is installed on top of poly wires. The reason the poly wires are there is just to temporarily hold it in position while the ceiling boards are being put in. This particular structure, we're very proud that the roof is a combination of products used, which allows for not just thermal properties of our product, but including acoustic properties. You've got your roof sheet on the outside, you've got your air gaps, you've got your radiant barriers, then followed by the cavity batt, which is 102 millimeters thick but compressed to 75 millimeters due to the void allowable. And then on the inside you've got an extruded polystyrene ceiling. The combination of these products allow us to reach a certain R value as per the stipulations in the new energy efficiency standard known as SANS 10400XA, and we certainly meet that requirement for the roof of this building. You must remember that roofs, generally in our climate, in the South African climate, 35% of our heat gain or heat loss is through the roof structure, and hence a lot of focus is put on the actual roof structure. We at Isava also believe in insulating the complete building envelope, which means that you're insulating your walls as well as your roof and floors. You're completely encapsulating the building and hopefully getting it airtight. House Rhino has certainly gone a long way in achieving this by insulating the walls and obviously concentrating heavily on the roof. Further properties of our glasswool insulation in terms of its compression packaging is that it reduces the carbon footprint as it reduces transport when delivering the products to site. In addition, our products are non-combustible. By nature, glasswool is non-combustible, does not generate a flame. Therefore, it has no limitations to its use in buildings and can be applied in applications such as hospitals and places of safety, prisons and escape routes in buildings, as it will not combust. A lot of other products contain certain retardants in their makeup, flame retardants, which could have ozone depleting potential. Our products have zero ODP properties, in other words, zero ozone depleting properties, and also global warming potential is zero. Due to the fine micronage of our glasswool products, it has excellent acoustic value, which adds additional value to an efficient home. In addition to our glass wool range of products, we also manufacture a mineral wool, which is also being used at House Rhino. This mineral wool is for applications in high temperature vessels, such as boilers and furnaces. At the house, we're going to be installing it around the flues of the fireplace. It is a mineral fiber with a wire mesh, chicken wire mesh, laminated to one side, which we then wrap around the flue to help protect the materials around that flue from exposure to heat. So not really an insulation material as far as heat transfer, but as far as protecting the materials around the flue from consistent exposure to high temperatures. As I'm proud to be associated with Isava are proud to be associated with House Rhino, and certainly believe that this house will have a large contribution to the environment and to energy efficiency, and we will certainly watch it with a keen eye.